Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the guide to weight loss management in 2024. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your strategy, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics of weight loss. Weight loss fundamentally comes down to creating a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. This can be achieved through a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Understanding this concept is crucial before moving on to specific strategies. Now let's discuss how to create a sustainable diet plan. The key is to focus on whole nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. For a weight loss diet plan, check the description below. Avoid fad diets that promise quick results but are hard to maintain in the long run. Combining cardio with strength training is an effective way to boost your metabolism and burn calories. Here are some exercises to include in your routine. Cardio: running, cycling, or brisk walking for at least 30 minutes a day. Strength training: incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell routines at least 3 times a week. Staying motivated is often one of the biggest challenges in weight loss. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way. It's normal to hit plateaus, but don't get discouraged. Mix up your routine and try new activities to keep things exciting. Joining a support group or having a workout buddy can also make a huge difference. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more tips and motivation on your weight loss journey. Finally, let's talk about tracking your progress. Use tools like a food diary, fitness apps, or even a simple notebook to keep track of what you eat and your exercise routines. Regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to tweak your plan. The goal is to find what works best for you and to stay committed to your journey. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and a positive mindset. If you want a diet plan for weight loss, check description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you next time.